Hi everyone, my name is Karen and I'm a multimedia artist. In this video, we're working on our 24 days of gouache advent calendar where we paint with only one color a day. And this is a compilation of day 5, 6, and 7. So I hope you grab your cup of coffee and let's get painting. So let's see what color we get for day 5. Oh my goodness! We get this pastel pink. Oh my gosh. Well, again, this one doesn't really say Christmas. It's not one of the classic Christmas colors, but let me tell you something. I'm really excited about this one. So let's see what we can make. Okay, so since this color is so light, but at the same time it's very vibrant, it's a really beautiful kind of pink. I'm going to be using the Arches hot press watercolor paper, and once again, because this one is at 9 by 12, I'm gonna be cutting the sheet in half. So this is just plain white. So guys, when I saw this color, the thing that I thought of is candy canes, or more like a Candyland kind of Christmassy scene. I know candy canes are traditionally red and white, but since I only have the pink to work with, I was thinking more of a Candyland kind of vibe. So here I started with the sketch and then I moved on to a very light wash. I try to make it seem as if it was snowed, and then I try to incorporate some texture into the paper by adding a little bit of brick into it, but more like a blurry type of effect. Okay guys, so here I'm gonna change the format of my video and I'm gonna keep it as a real time just because I'm gonna try something different that I haven't really even explored in other mediums, let alone right here with gouache. So I'm gonna grab anything that is round. I have my nail polish, surprise surprise. I'm gonna grab a little bit of a paper towel. I'm just gonna I'm gonna try to make circles on the paper, kind of like give the illusion of like when it's snowy or rainy and you kind of like see on a picture lens, you see those very blurry circles on the image. I apologize if you hear my dog. I have him as my companion of the day. So I'm gonna wet this because I don't want it too intense. I want it to be very faint and kind of blurry. Okay, so that was too thin, I think. I'm gonna fold the paper towel. I just hope I'm not gonna mess this up. So in order to give myself a little more grace on this, I'm gonna try a little bit right here. So I'm gonna wet the area first, just so it's not too intense on the sheet, because I noticed one thing with gouache is that if I'm laying straight on the I'm laying the paint straight on the dry paper, the paint just grabs on very intensely. I don't know if it's got to do with the fact that my paper is 100% cotton and it's very extremely absorbent. So I am not sure what is causing that, but I mean, I don't mind it. It's just a matter of learning where and when to do certain things, just like any other medium. Okay. Oh, you see that? Okay. I think I can do a little bit more of an intense color. Okay, let me see. Gonna activate this again. Just get it a little bit more intense. Okay. I'm gonna try it again. Okay, that was, I don't know what, I don't know when I did this, but I grabbed paint right there, but I went. All right, so I'm gonna try another one around maybe here. And again, like I said, I'm only wetting the area just so it's not so sharp on the page, because I want to kind of like blurry, kind of like give that effect of blurriness. Oh, I think I like that. It's a little intense, but I think I like it. Okay, let's see. It's a little too textured. Ooh, I like that. Okay, all right. So I'm just gonna put a few right here. I'm gonna speed up my process again, and if you see different sizes, that's because I intentionally do have the idea of doing different sizes here and there. So I'll just randomly select other items in my art supplies to make another circle that is a little bit smaller. So let's keep going. And here I come with my extra ink. I decided to use silver for this one just because of the effect of the snow that I've been working on. I like to add a little bit more of that same effect with the stamping, and I think it came out really pretty. It's very sparkly and it really gives the effect of that camera lens looking through a snowy scene. Okay guys, so today we're on day 6 of our 24 days of gouache advent calendar. Let's see what we get for day 6. Here, this time I found it right away. Look at this color. Oh my gosh, that's such a pretty color. It's a turquoise, and yeah, that's a great color. Okay, I can't wait to see what we can make with this one. I think for this, I'm gonna have to choose the white paper. I must admit that day 6 was a bit of a challenge for me just because I'm not very used to painting florals, and holly I would qualify it as a floral. I also added the gold ink for this one just to make it a little more festive. I also gave day 6 the same effect that I worked on day 5. So I have those blurry snowflakes coming down, but this time in gold. Okay, so today we're on day 7, December 7 of our advent calendar. Let's see what color we're gonna get. Day 7. Sometimes it takes me a while to find them. This time it didn't. Oh my gosh, gosh. Oh, I love this color. Oh my goodness. I love this color. It's like an ultramarine blue. Maybe a little bit more on the purplish side. I mean, from what it looks like in the package, this one in particular I've never even opened, so I don't know really how it goes on paper, but I will definitely use white paper on this. Let's get started. Okay guys, so before I start sketching, I just wanted to show you, look how beautiful this color is. Okay guys, so there you go. That was our days 5, 6, and 7 of our advent calendar. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do and you're finding value in these videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit those bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload another video. I hope to see you the next time, and happy holidays.